How to fulfill an order on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fulfill an order on Shopify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the Shopify website and log into your account. If you prefer, you can also use the Google login option to quickly access your store. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Shopify dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Orders. Here you'll see a list of all the orders placed in your store. Find the order you want to fulfill and click on it. Inside the order details, you can review the items purchased, the customer's shipping address, and any special notes. Now, click on the Fulfill Item button. At this step, you can add shipping details such as the tracking number or select the shipping carrier. If the order has multiple items, repeat the fulfillment process until everything is ready to ship. Finally, click on Fulfill to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully fulfilled an order on Shopify, and your customer will now be notified with the tracking details. That's all for the video.